Let's solve this problem. I can find the value of W if the system is in equilibrium. Now, what you have to know is that since the system is in equilibrium, it means the system is T1 and T2 are in equilibrium, T2 tensions. What it means is that the resultant of the magnitude of their resultant is the same thing as this weight W, because it keeps them, it balances the two tensions. This force T1 and the other 8 Newton, and the second force 15 Newton. So these two tensions are being balanced by this weight, and so the magnitude of their resultants must be equal to this. So I can use, let me divide this into two. I will use parallelogram law of forces and triangular forces to solve it. Okay, I reschedule this here. Let's get this. Okay, so this is T1, this is T2. Okay, one is T, this is T2, is a mistake. I don't know. Okay, T2. Now this is 15 Newton, and this is, the angle between them is 90. Okay, so being 90, it wouldn't be a parallelogram anyway. It has to be either a square or a rectangle. It has to be a rectangle because 15 and 8 are unequal. Now, but since they are fastened to an equilibrium, they are resultant by parallelogram law of forces will emanate through this diagonal. Okay, so this becomes their resultant, which is equal to W. Okay, so you complete the shape. Okay, that gives us a rectangle. This is 15, this is 8, and we're having something like this: 15 Newton, 8 Newton, and this is W, which is something as the resultant. Okay, so by Pythagoras theorem, W squared is 8 squared plus 15 squared. So 64 plus 225, 225, 64. This is 9, 8. Of course, is one of the perfect squares that we know. So W will be square root of 289. That is 17 Newton. Okay, or you can use the triangular forces, not parallelogram. This is parallelogram. Triangular forces. Triangular forces says if you have this kind of system, you join the two sides T1 and T2 head to tail, then the third side of the triangle is the resultant. What does that mean? You see this? This is the vector, this is the head, this is the tail. So join, this is the head of this one. Okay, join it to the tail of this, and the angle between them is 90. So the third part of the triangle is the resultant, which is W. This is the triangle law of forces. Okay, so here is 15 Newton, here is 8 Newton. Again, we use Pythagoras theorem. W squared is 15 squared plus 8 squared. So it's 225 plus 64, which is 289. So W is 289. We are getting 17 Newton. So what I use in the triangle of forces or parallelogram of forces, we are getting the same thing. Thank you very much.